Shwmae pawb, hello everyone. I'm Bev and I'm a parenting worker within the RCT parenting team. And today we are going to be looking at our Incredible Years baby programme. And we're going to have a little look at the first chapter of the baby programme, which is about getting to know your baby. Now, none of us are born knowing how to parent. And if you're a new parent, it can be really daunting and overwhelming. There's so many things to learn: how to change nappies, how to bath the baby, what to feed, when to feed. However, most of us learn quickly how to trust our own natural instinct. That's something that we usually call is a natural instinct. Now, one of the most important tasks for both new parents and parents who've had previous children, because as we know, not all babies are the same, is to try and understand what your baby is communicating to you. And one of the first ways a baby communicates is by crying. So you won't be able to distinguish these different cries at first. But if you relax and give yourself time to watch, study, and learn this new baby language, you will soon be able to understand what they need. Now, within a few days of birth, babies are able to distinguish human faces and voices from other sights and sounds, and they actually prefer the human face and human stimulation to anything else. Babies are intelligent learners and begin learning from the minute they're born. And the way you respond to your baby will shape the way the brain grows and the kind of person they will become. Now, every cry will indicate a need. That need may be a basic need. For example, they may be hungry or they need their nappy changed. Or it may be a need for physical, auditory or tactile stimulation. Now, some parents are concerned they may spoil a baby. But remember, you cannot spoil a baby with too much love. And it's important that babies have their cries responded to predictably in the first months. So when a baby is responded to by being fed, changed, cuddled, or put somewhere quiet to sleep, comforted and communicated with consistently, a baby learns about trust and becomes securely bonded with his parent. Now, some babies are really fussy babies, and this can be really demanding on parents. And that's why it's really important that in these early times, you get as much rest as you can while your baby is sleeping. Give yourself a break. Ask someone to watch your baby so you can nap. Do something nice for yourself, such like take a long bubble bath or walk with a friend. And don't forget to share your joys and difficulties with another parent. That's really important. So just to recap, the first few months or the first year of baby's life, they learn so much. And the more input you can give them, the better it's going to be in the long run. But that's without burning yourself out. Remember, you really do need to look after yourself so that if you are not good for yourself, you can be good for your baby. Enjoy your baby, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.